Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to promote your YouTube videos through website for free with Android device. First you need to go to Chrome browser, then you need to type google.com/add URL. Notice what writing here is: Google adds new sites for our index and updates existing ones. Every time we crawl the website, if you have a new URL, tell us about it here. We don't add all submitted URLs to our index, and we can't make predictions or guarantees about what if your URL submits will appear in our index. They are not sure about it, but trust me, it works. 100% it works. They will promote your videos for free, and you don't need to pay or purchase anything. First you need to go to your channel, then choose any of your video, select copy link here, and you just need to paste video here in the URL box. Here it is, and just you need to make sure you are not a robot. Then submit your request. Here it says Google adds new sites to index. Oh, it is already done. Your request has been received, will be processed shortly. You just need to sign with your email here, then you can check it back to your email and they will send you a short message whether it is accepted or not. But make sure you're putting here good you're putting here something good content which is not violated any YouTube terms, and trust me guys, it will work. And you can, if you're missing something, you can comment below and